First, click on Control and then click on Calendar. Next, click on the Add Event button to create a new calendar event. You are required to specify the name and duration of the event, as well as if the event is repetitive. You can specify if it's a daily event, a weekly event, or a monthly event. So let's now walk through a relevant example to enable you to better understand how this calendar event feature works. So I've just created two new calendar events, one for Canada Day, which occurs on July 1st, and another for the 4th of July, which occurs on July 4th. I have also created two new profiles and I've put them into allocation rules. The first profile, called Canadian Profile, targets Canadian users on Canada Day, whereas the second profile, called American Profile, targets American users on the 4th of July. So let's take a quick look at the Canadian Profile. There will be a new navigation item called Happy Canada Day, and when users click on it, they will be able to watch the best Canadian movies. The same thing happens for the American Profile. There will be a new navigation item called Happy 4th of July, and within this new navigation item, American users will be able to watch the best American movies. So now, going back to the profile allocation table, I'm going to apply the calendar events to the corresponding allocation rules. So for the Canadian Profile, I'm going to apply the calendar event called Canada Day. For the American Profile, I'm going to apply the calendar event called the 4th of July. Essentially, what this means is that on Canada Day, Canadian users using the application will see the content within the Canadian Profile. On the 4th of July, American users using the application will see the content within the American Profile.